just successfully did this little obstacle. Almost got stuck on the back wheels. Good thing I had the axle locker on. But come around the corner through here. Took the line up on the left. You can see my tracks. But tried to stay high on the tires so that I had the clearance, and then went up this way. And then you can see how much of a drop it was. Climbing back up top. Hey Zoe, let's see what she's doing. Where'd she go? Did she jump out? Hey Zoe, there you are. You ready, sweetie? Spinning gun? Look at that!
Yeah, we'll break this down.
I got a shovel, guys. Hey Zoe, what's up baby? You having fun on our adventure? Oh man, that sucks. Well, at least Nicole got the first scratches of her lifetime. Got Miss Zoe back there trying to eat the branches as they come through the window. Isn't that right, sweetie? So, the last time I went up the wrong place, it was like a little campsite. But I think we found the little trailhead to get to the roost. So, trying to see if we can get over there on footage. There is a wind advisory though, and it looks like a storm's rolling in, so it'd probably be best to get going soon. It appears that this road I thought that went to the overlook is just a closed road and kind of a hiking trail. At least we got a good hike in at the end of the day. There's a bunch of that were at the location that probably was the viewpoint. I was hoping there was something to be a little bit more private, but it's all good. It's my first video, so I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want, you can subscribe. If not, just share this link to other people. The views is really... Got again. Tie your shoes and your boots, ladies and gentlemen. Otherwise, that shit happens. But regardless, it's been a fun one, right, Zoe? Adventure number 2 tomorrow. You wanna go for a ride? Yeah, let's go back to the truck. You all tuckered out, Zoe? That's a wrap.